Lately, I've been talking about Dogecoin. I believe that Dogecoin can go to $2 in this bull market. And once again, we've seen Elon Musk come out talking about Doge and pumping this coin up. Over the last 7 days, it is the number one performing coin in the top 100 for cryptocurrencies overall. And its value versus Bitcoin is doing something very nice, headed up to the top of the range. Actually, Dogecoin's performing really a lot better than a lot of altcoins out there when it comes to versus Bitcoin. Let's talk a little bit about Doge, what my price targets are for this in the short term, what happened that got this thing to blast off recently when Elon Musk spoke about it, and a little bit more. This is the Crypto Report on CryptoKip. Tap the like and let's hop right in, guys. So again, if you look on CoinMarketCap and you just take a peek at the price action in this market over the last 7 days, you will see that the number one performing coin in the top 100 is Doge, sitting at a $23 billion market cap. This is the 8th largest cryptocurrency in the entire asset class that is crypto, which is sensational. I mean, that is a lot of money. And the truth is, guys, is Bitcoin sitting at 1.3 trillion, with 60% dominance right now. We've seen the dominance for Bitcoin in the market climbing up past 60%. This is probably an overbought position in terms of Bitcoin strength. And I think that at some point here, relatively soon, we're going to see Bitcoin's dominance start to decrease, and that means that altcoins are going to pump. And so when we see, the value of Bitcoin dominance in the market decrease, that does not mean that money stops pouring into Bitcoin. In fact, I think there's trillions of dollars that are going to pour into Bitcoin. And then also, in conjunction with that, trillions of dollars that are going to flow into altcoins. And remember, Dogecoin is the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's strong right now as Bitcoin's right at the precipice of breaking out to new highs. And it's probably only going to get stronger as we go into this parabolic move. Right now, the total market cap is at 2.34 trillion, almost 2.4 trillion. And again, Bitcoin's 60% of that entire market. But eventually, it's going to pass $3 trillion likely and move anywhere to maybe $5 or $10 trillion in market cap. And again, Bitcoin dominance is rallying right now. But at some point, that's going to go the other way, which means that altcoins are going to start surging in their values again. And here is Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. You can see these are the weekly candles, and Dogecoin kind of has some kind of range here going on with its value versus Bitcoin, been bouncing up and down in this range. And so if it keeps moving up to the top of this range, it's going to be a 60% pump, and this is a 60% pump for Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin rallies 100%, then Dogecoin would rally 160% is the idea here. But if Dogecoin breaks out of this range and goes into price discovery mode versus, well, actually not even price discovery mode, but breaks out of this range and moves towards its previous highs and then goes to price discovery mode, there could be more of a rally coming for Dogecoin gaining, value versus Bitcoin. Now, I don't think that one day Dogecoin is going to be as big as Bitcoin. That's the most ridiculous thing that nobody should say that, okay? But I do think that, relatively speaking, there's going to be a period where Dogecoin has more momentum than Bitcoin, and that is something that we traditionally see with a lot of altcoins in a parabolic move for the total market. But the fact is that most altcoins right now are actually coming down versus Bitcoin. So we've got 3 green weekly candles on Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, where we have Ethereum really still kind of finding new lows. We're kind of having a green weekly candle here, maybe, but we just had a very large red weekly candle for Ethereum. Avalanche also, 3 weekly red candles in a row, coming down almost at its lows versus Bitcoin, back from the bear market lows versus Bitcoin. You've got Crocoin also getting crushed versus Bitcoin at its all-time low value versus Bitcoin. So a lot of these altcoins are really hurting versus Bitcoin, but Dogecoin is showing a tremendous amount of strength. So then all of a sudden you have Elon Musk come out, and he comes out and Bitcoin tops 72,000, and then Dogecoin gets a Elon Musk boost. He came out, and obviously he's doing a lot of conversations surrounding the election and all these things. And during his speech recently, he came out and talked about Dogecoin. And once again, we now see Dogecoin at the top of the charts over the last 7 days, going up 20% over the last 7 days. Why? Really? Because Elon Musk. It is the 8th largest cryptocurrency, so inevitably it's going to get some excitement. There's a lot of meme coin lovers that love Dogecoin. But then when Elon Musk, the Doge father, as they call him, starts tweeting about it and talking about it during speeches at public, like some very public events, of course the price of Doge is going to continue to go up. Now, at the time of this recording, if Dogecoin was to achieve its highest market cap that it's ever had from the past. That's a 3.7x from here. That brings us to 60 cents. I believe in Dogecoin to $1 because, again, I believe that we're going to have a total market cap breakout to possibly $5 or $10 trillion, which means hundreds of billions of dollars could potentially flow in to Dogecoin, really, but into a lot of different altcoins within the crypto market, within this crypto asset class as a whole. And not only do I believe that Dogecoin could go to $1, but I also believe that Dogecoin could go a lot higher. I think that this coin could easily enter price discovery mode and break past the previous highs. This isn't actually the best Dogecoin chart. If I could find a better one, let's see. There you go. So that's a little bit better. I think that we're going to see something like this happen where here you have your 2017 peak for Dogecoin, then you have your 2021 peak for Dogecoin. I think we're going to have a 2025 peak for Dogecoin as well. And that could be, I mean, honestly, guys, $2 I really think is in the cards. It could be higher. That's crazy to say, but it really could be higher because of the whole hypothesis here, guys, that you've got Bitcoin dominance that's at its highs. That's going to come down. Altcoins are going to pump more. They're due for a pump versus Bitcoin. But that being said, Bitcoin's also due for a pump as well. I don't even know if I pulled up the Bitcoin chart during this video yet. But here you got Bitcoin, which currently just had two green monthly candle closes. This recent monthly candle close is above $70,000. It is above our previous bull market all-time high from the last cycle. And now we are in the month of November, which historically speaking is the bullish month in the history of crypto. Bitcoin could break to new highs and Dogecoin could follow very soon thereafter and possibly, I think, hit $2 in this bull market, maybe even higher. Let me know what your thoughts are on Dogecoin, guys, in the comments down below. That is all I have for you on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA, HODL, guys. Do your own research, please. Nothing is financial advice in this video. If you want to trade Dogecoin, you can actually do so by signing up for Blowfin, which is a no KYC required exchange. Super easy to use. And it does look like, again, I think we're going to see some more upside for Doge. So if you're trying to enter Doge or make a trade on Dogecoin, you can do so on Blowfin. Check it out if you want to. Until next time, guys, I got 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.